So today is our open house. We do this once a year. My name's Russell Hill. I serve as the director of imet, the Institute of Marine and Environmental Technology, and we are really proud to be able to show you some of the fantastic research that's happening downtown here in Baltimore at imet. So we have a whole lot of different displays set up. Each research lab is explaining the work that they are doing, all the way from microbes through to sharks. There are three things that you really should not miss if you come down. Follow the signs into our Aquaculture Research Center and you'll see the many species of fish and sharks that we have here that are part of the research that we're doing. And number two is a display of some bioluminescent microbes. So these microbes give off light, and it's been set up with our artist in residence, Professor Lisa Moran from UNBC. The third thing you must not miss is a tour of the research vessel Rachel Carson, docked right next to our building. This is a wonderful research vessel that belongs to the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. It's designed specifically for research on the Chesapeake Bay. It's a state-of-the-art vessel, and you can have one of our tours of the research vessel. So welcome to imet. I really hope you can make it.